I always say, when the question come ask you, what is the thing that will make the difference? And I always say there is no magic bullet that will make the difference. So it's always a combination of several actions that will make the difference. And SEO is one of the parts. And you have many different areas that you have to work on. And one of those areas is the pay per click. This is the paid ad. So you pay in Google to be visible for certain keywords, but you can also pay to be like these ads on certain websites. And this is now in the beginning of the crisis, a very important pillar to use in your strategy. That's where you get the fast result. Yeah. As the question was, yeah, how can we do this SEO? SEO has a reaction time, 2-3 months. To reach the goal that you wanted to have, and depending on difficult keyword can take 1 year, 2 years. It's still the best to do. It's the best return on investment. But when you need fast result, then as I was saying, with the crisis now where business are closed and it's not clear for the people who is still working or how our business working, and Google My Business, the best place to have immediate result and where a lot of people are looking information, and update them. Because if you don't update, the people have the possibility, the users have the possibility to say that the information were wrong. Yeah, for example, if you say we open, they jump in the car, they go to see on place for the country which can still drive around, and then the shop was closed. And they will be very disappointed, and they will put a review on that the shop was closed. So that will give the wrong flag that you want. It will give the information to Google that the information are not up to date, and then they will not show this information anymore. So update your information data. That's why I was mentioning the first place to go is there. And after, yeah, the second is go with advertising, because advertising, you decide today to pass your message, it will be in a few minutes live. Okay, they still need to review, but let's say in a few hours, because now during the crisis, they also review the ads slower. But in a few hours later, you're back in business, yeah, and you can reach your customer. So you can write to your customer, of course, so that will be email marketing, yeah, to inform, to say that you are there and wishing them that they are good and hoping that they are good and telling you your situation, what you do, how you have adapted, and you hope to be able to help them with what you were helping them before, or to provide them either, I don't know what, food or material there that you're still in business. And you can reach them with ads, yeah, so you can advertise even your client, yeah, you can upload your list of clients and make sure that when they go on Facebook, YouTube, Quora, LinkedIn, etc., that they see you ad where you are saying that, making you special offer, or saying the way you are working now, etc. So that's the fastest way, but that's not really SEO, that's SEM, search engine marketing. Yeah, so that's how you adapt to be faster right now, and still work on your SEO, because on the long term, that's what is cheaper, because once you're visible, you don't need to advertise.